Welcome back to viralstocks.io, guys. I think Viral Stocks needs a little bit of an award here. No, I'm just kidding, but we have absolutely been killing it here at viralstocks.io. We have brought you hundreds of % gains just this week for both our subscribers and also just people who are part of this YouTube channel. So absolutely shout out to everyone. And if you guys are completely new here at viralstocks.io, we bring the winners, we bring the heat. What we do is we focus on NASDAQ and NYSE penny stocks, guys, and we talk about them on our YouTube channel here. We try to bring you guys the absolute best stocks on our YouTube channel to make a ton of money, which we have been doing on multitude of stocks. I mean, CEI, INDO, VERU recently here. You absolutely name it. MULN we've been in since under $1. GFAI, 200% gains on that one. I mean, countless stocks here brought just on our YouTube channel. But if you want even bigger gains than that, then I really suggest you guys sign up here at viralstocks.io. So like I said, we focus on NASDAQ and NYSE penny stock alerts, and what we do is we look for these stocks, we screen for these stocks, we find big catalysts, and ultimately when we see that absolutely perfect opportunity, we send out an alert to our investors, right? So if you want to be a part of those alerts, they're absolutely completely free. All you have to do is sign up at viralstocks.io. So go to the link in the description below, or it will also be pinned in the first comment, and it will also be, or you can also head to viralstocks.io/signup. You'll be taken to this screen right here where you can enter in your email address to get our completely free NASDAQ and NYSE penny stock alerts. Now, once you enter in your email address right there, then you're also going to want to enter in your phone number because it is much faster, much more efficient to ultimately enter in your phone number. We have had trouble with emails in the past going to spams. People aren't getting them. I feel terrible. So just make sure and enter in your phone number so you're able to capitalize on some of these gains. Now, obviously, we're not financial advisors whatsoever, and none of this is financial advice, but this was one of our alerts just last Monday, right? So I believe it was on like the 6th or 7th or something, right? And we sent out this as an alert. Now, I can't tell you guys what this stock is because we save these specifically for our subscribers. So if you want to know, you want to get our alerts, make sure to sign up. But this stock is up over 70% in just 1 month. We were able to catch this right before the run up here at around $1.49, rode this all the way up. Now it's up over 50% just in a 1 week time period. It was up 25% just in the one day that we announced it. Huge win here for our subscribers. So like I said, guys, make sure and be a part of it. Sign up at viralstocks.io. Like I said, it is completely free. There's no obligation whatsoever. If you don't like it, all you have to do is literally hit the unsubscribe button. It will be on your text messages. Just click unsubscribe and you won't get them anymore, right? So it is completely free, and yeah, absolutely no risk there whatsoever. But just make sure and do your research before you get into any of those stocks. But let's jump in it here, and I have to talk about, again, one of our biggest winners this week, which was ticker symbol VERU. Now, I'm going to be honest, we didn't catch this in the beginning all the way down at $4.40. I feel terrible. We were not able to catch it down here, but we did talk about this stock when it dropped down to about $9.68 after it had a big pullback, and I thought it could have a round 2 push-up because of one big news article that came out when the market closed. So I made this video here, and as we can see, the stock is up 54% since then and hit highs of over 75% since then. So a huge win here at viralstocks.io. But here's what happened. Ultimately, though, I saw this article after that pullback. It said VERU stock could hit $36, says an analyst from Oppenheimer. Huge price target for VERU, right? We pretty much knew this stock was going to have a decent bounce after it gets some crazy news like this. So if you have no idea what happened with VERU, make sure and check out my last video. But real quick here, basically it is a biotech stock, and ultimately they do stuff with COVID-19, and they had insane results, right? And now they're continuing to move further here with the FDA, possibly even fast track designation, all of these different things. So great stuff going on here with VERU, and truly, even after this 230% run up, it could just be the beginning. So we're going to need some more news here, and VERU will continue to be on our watch list. And hey, maybe even it would get out to this $36 per share mark, which would be absolutely absurd. But moving on here, one of our oldies but goodies, INDO. This stock shot up 65% just in one day on what was this? The last trading day, which was Thursday, the April 14th, I think. Oh, it's 65%. That is absolutely massive. Now, INDO is one we have talked about for quite a while. and is probably, I would say, one of the biggest winners that we have had on this channel. I think it could be one of the biggest winners. We did talk about this stock completely before the oil run up there, $4.70 or so. Ran this stock all the way up to about 1,200% gains. I think our gains were around 800%. Obviously, if you were in this stock, you should have been taking profits all the way up here because it could come back down at any time, which obviously it did. I can't even believe it ran up this high, but regardless, that was a massive run there. And then we know INDO, it moves. I mean, just look, like this was a 28% gain in one day there. This was a 40% gain in one day there. Even this, a 14% gain in one day. Even all these little ones. I mean, this stock just moves, whether it's up or down. Look, couple day period here went down 34%. So this stock is 100% on our watch list, and I hope you guys were able to catch this 65% run up. This was absolutely massive. Now, if you guys don't know what INDO is, I know we've had a lot of new subscribers here on the channel, and for our alerts, since we've even talked about INDO, because oil has been on a big pullback after that run up here, basically, this is Indonesia Energy, right? And now on this news that they have had successful drilling on a new oil field, it should generate superior returns for INDO stock. So they're involved in the exploration and production of oil and gas in Indonesia. It's fairly simple, right? So when oil goes up, you can believe INDO is going to go up and vice versa. Now, as we can see, the reality here, the important part about INDO is they're able to completely set themselves apart from their competitor in their ability to produce oil at such a significantly lower price than everyone else. As of 2020, crude oil production cost average around $30 to $40 per barrel. INDO, Indonesia Energy, is producing it for only $24.51 a barrel. So already great there for them, and now oil is trading up near $100 per barrel. INDO has a significant growth opportunity ahead of themselves. But moving on here to the next stock, another stock that we've been talking about for quite a while now, made a lot of money on, it is HUSA, Houston American Energy Corp. And as you can see, the energy stocks, the oil stocks, they had a very big run up. So now we're moving forward here on oil as biotech has taken a little bit of a break. Biotech took over last week, so capitalized on a lot of biotech stocks, and hopefully you guys did too as well, as we've been alerting them and also talking about them on our YouTube channel all week long. But anyways, though, as we can see, this stock has shot up about, let's see how much it was, about 47% just in one day, which was a gorgeous run up there for HUSA. Anyone that was able to catch on that stock, very good job. It says, keep low-priced oil play, Houston American Energy stock on your radar. Houston stock has pulled back sharply from those recent highs, but another jump in oil prices or news from the company could fuel another spike here. And as we can see, tons of excitement here pouring back in after it's already cooled off, and it had a nice run there. So we will continue to keep HUSA on our watch list once again, as it is a stock that likes to move. But anyways, we'll wrap the video up here talking about MULN, and I'll let you guys go and enjoy your Easter weekend here. But MULN, still the same boat, right? What's important to note with MULN stock is the technical aspect, and it's really the only thing going on with MULN. We can see MULN is forming here a beautiful triple bottom pattern as well as a descending wedge, right? What we will be looking for is a bounce off this triple bottom and also a break through the descending wedge here towards the upwards direction, which also will happen simultaneously as it breaks above the 200 EMA. So look for these important opportunities here. This is a gorgeous setup for MULN. Now, it definitely could drop below. And if it drops below, MULN is going to be way down here to $1.52 or so, right? But if it breaks above, we could see that run back up to $3.50. Now, it's important also, if you guys have been following this channel and following us here, following our alerts, these should be free shares if you're still holding MULN stock, right? We focus on short-term, high-probability trading opportunities here. Sure, MULN could be considered a long-term investment, no doubt, but that is not even close to what we do here, guys. We focus on short-term investments. So if you guys are holding MULN for the long term, then it is definitely not from us. We do not suggest holding these kind of things long term, especially stocks like this that are getting teared up by short reports, right, and possibly misleading information. Who absolutely knows, right? But ultimately, MULN has been a great short-term opportunity for us. We've been able to make a killing on MULN, and if you're still holding some shares, I think that's great, but profit should have had been taken along the way. That is not financial advice. It is just an opinion from me and just kind of our mission here at viralstocks.io. But anyways, guys, that is pretty much all I have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure and subscribe to the channel. Come join us over there in our alerts. You guys can get our alerts. We have some great alerts coming up next week as long as things present themselves correctly. things have to line up before we send them out, right? So we obviously can't say, yeah, alerts definitely coming tomorrow. As long as catalysts line up with price action, we will send those alerts out at the bell, 9:30 a.m. EST. Be there or be square, guys. I will see you in the next video.